Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Shunde is famous across China for its incredible food. As food lovers, we flew all the way from Beijing to Shunde for a 3-day trip, just to eat. We check out 6 highly recommended spots, both from the internet and local tips. We spent around $145 in total. So, was it really as good as everyone says? We flew from Beijing Capital Airport to GuangDong Baiyun Airport, then rented an electric car so we could easily get around and find all the best food spots. If you are interested in more details about the trip, like transportation and activities, make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other video on traveling in Shunde. Our first stop is Huangxianghua. When you are in GuangDong, you have to try the soups, and Huangxianghua is the perfect place to start. It's located in a beautiful Yunnan-style neighborhood, full of shops and restaurants showcasing Cantonese culture. If you're not into local food, don't worry. There are also plenty of modern restaurants offering flavors from all over the world. This restaurant has a history of over 160 years. It started as a pharmacy, selling herbal medicines and ingredients to promote healthy living through food. We ordered a fig and a lean pork soup, where the figs are stewed until they are super soft, and there's a big bowl of lean pork inside. The soup was light and sweet, with a fruity flavor that perfectly balanced the meat's richness. The pork bowl was a bit firm, but if you are merely enjoying the soup, the flavor was blended perfectly. We also tried the pork ribs with lofi in a clay pot rice, an absolute Cantonese classic. And let's not forget the stewed baked chicken. The skin was crispy, and trust me, you will be amazed by just how many ways Cantonese people know how to cook chicken. You will see more of that later in this video. We spent $23 on this meal. If you visit Shunde, you must try the dessert known as tangshui. Ningxian Laobu is a famous and long-established dessert chain in GuangDong. The walls are decorated with oyster shells, which is the local specialty. For those who love dairy and sweets, the buffalo milk wrapped in ice is a must-try. Buffalo milk is richer and creamier than regular milk, with a more intense flavor and higher nutritional value. The taro sago is another classic Cantonese dessert, but personally I prefer the buffalo milk wrapped in ice. What's great about eating tangshui is the atmosphere. Sitting at an old wooden table, enjoying a cold dessert in a cozy alleyway, watching people go by. It's such a calming experience. Now, if you could only eat one meal in Shunde, it has to be sauna chicken. Yes, it's just like it sounds. The chicken gets steamed as if it's in a sauna. This was hands down my favorite dish from the whole trip. The restaurant is set in a peaceful little village, surrounded by ponds and greenery, which really speaks to the freshness of their ingredients. Steaming is an Asian Chinese cooking technique that preserves the food's original flavors and nutrition. In Shunde, they've taken this method to the next level by literally bringing the stove to the table. In just 2.5 minutes, the dish is ready to eat. The chicken is light steamed and placed on top of mulberry leaves. As the chicken steams, the leaves absorb all the juice, making them super tasty too. The chicken itself is tender with a slight chew and a fragrant hint of peanut oil. One sauna chicken is perfect for 2 people, and we also ordered chengcu noodles, which are steamed rice noodles with a super bouncy texture. After soup and chicken, the next must-try in GuangDong is porridge. We had a seafood porridge that comes with fish skin, vegetables, and eggs, so smoothie and skilly. We also tried a few interesting dishes at this restaurant. If you love fried food, you will want to check out their deep-fried green pepper, stuffed with meat or shrimp inside. This kind of like Japanese tempura, but with a totally different flavor. Savory and fresh at the same time. Another unique dish was stir-fried clam wrapped in letter leaves. It was my first time eating seafood in this way, and it was a really fun experience. Remember earlier when we talked about all the ways Cantonese people cook chicken? Well, next up is coconut chicken. If you love the flavor of coconut and tender chicken, you will love this dish. This restaurant is in a small neighborhood, pretty hidden, but worth to find. In this and in typical GuangDong style, you wash your bowls and chopsticks before eating. The hot pot is made with coconut and other ingredients, giving it a super sweet flavor. Once the water is boiling, the server brings over the chicken slices and drops them in. The dipping sauce is also the key. Unlike other Chinese hot pots, you have to add lime juice for the extra zing. The chicken comes out infused with sweet taste of coconut and is tender and juicy. I was also surprised at how good the papaya in the hot pot. If you are interested in more about coconut chicken, check out our other video where we go into more detail about the whole experience. Last but not least, we stumbled upon a Japanese-style cafe. Well, it's not exactly Cantonese cuisine, but we thought you would like it. The cafe is run by a Japanese owner who speaks great Chinese. We tried the fig tart and strawberry cream puffs, all handmade and in limited supply each day. The owner's wife also makes her own plum wine and cinnamon gelato, which were both amazing. The cafe has such a homey, relaxed vibe, and it was a perfect way to end our food adventure. So, that's a wrap on our 3-day Shunde food tour. Was it worth flying you all the way here just for the food? Absolutely! You get to try such a wide variety of Cantonese dishes, and each place has its own unique flavors. And honestly, it's way more affordable than eating at overly commercialized spots. Would you come to Shunde for a food trip, or do you know of any other places worth flying to just for food? Let us know in the comments. Bye!